Final quality control. Calibration and sealing, packaging.
Let's check the circuit for the 600-volt spec.
Confirmed. PCB layout is optimized for low power.
Good. The display interface meets safety standards. All electronic components are selected, such as current sensor, voltage sensor, microseries, capacity creed. The microcontroller inside the meter is programmed with firmware. This software controls energy calculation, data storage, display reading, tamper detection, and communication. Voltage is stabilizing at 220 volts. Current and power factor are in range. Energy readings are accurate. Let's log it. Okay, meters for dispatch. Load this pallet. Got it. Move into the truck. Watch the drop. Good. Dispatched.